Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into some of the best deals that you can do this week. And you know how we do around here, we don't waste time. So let's get right into these deals. So first that we're going to grab is an easy freebie if you're in half BOGO. So the True Earth laundry detergent is buy one get one for $14.99, and we have this $7.50 off digital coupon if you clipped it. So if you clip this, if you haven't clipped it, it's no longer available to clip. You can pick up one of these in any state outside of Florida and it'll be $7.49. Minus the $7.50 digital coupon, that makes one of these free $99. And if you're in Florida, it'll be $7.50 for two or $3.75 each. And in today's video, I am not going to do a big haul, mainly because I'm getting a late start today because of the Publix app, and I do not want this video to go up in the middle of the night. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep this video really quick, but I am going to test out a P&G deal today. I am so happy I came and checked this end cap because I thought I was going to have to go to another store to find this Dawn Power Suds, but they have some over here. So we're going to grab this. I'm about to try out a spend 40, save $10 P&G deal. This is good on Febreze products, and we're going to be grabbing a lot of Dawn. So I'm picking up a total of 3 of these Dawn Power Suds. We have $2 digital coupons on these, and we also have the $2 mailer coupons. And we are also going to pick up a total of 3 of the Dawn Power Wash. Now for the Dawn, I am using 2 sets of the mailer coupons that we got from P&G that was mailed out to everybody. So it was pretty easy for me to get my hand on an extra set of these because nobody in my family coupons. So I have 2 sets of these mailer coupons, 2 of the ones for the Dawn Power Wash and then 2 of the ones for the Dawn Power Suds. Now, if you only have 1 of the mailer coupons, you can just pick up 4 of the Dawn products and then replace that $10 in value with any item of your choice. You could grab the Cascade. We have a $3 digital for that. Or you could grab the Pantene Miracle. We have a $3 digital for that. Your total will only be $1 different. So I'm so happy that I went and tested this deal out because on my spend 40, save $10 P&G scenario, my initial thought was to grab the Febreze car fresheners because we have $3 digital and paper coupons for those car fresheners. Now, when I got up to the register, I figured out that those 2-count car fresheners are not included in the sale. The $10 was not coming off of the promotion. So I went and did a quick swaparoo. I was trying to figure out what did I have some good high value coupons for, and I decided to go with the Crest. The Crest are $5 this week, but we have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, and we also have $1 back on 2 boxes on Ibotta. So I decided to go in that direction. And for this P&G deal, you can also pick up paper products. You can get this $14.99 Charmin. You can get the $14.99 Bounty. I didn't have any coupons for those products. That is why I did not factor them into this deal. You could also grab some laundry products that we have some digital coupons for, but my coupons were not very high value for those. That's why I went for the Crest. Now with this will give you almost $45 towards a Stocking Spree gift card. Now that's enough for me to actually get back the $10 from Stocking Spree with my current tracking. So with this transaction alone, I am going to get back $10 from Stocking Spree. But if you need to get that additional $5 and some change to get to your $50 mark, that would be easy to do because you can grab anything off the participating items list to get that $10 reward. So all of these items, we have a total of 9 items. We have 3 of the Dawn Power Wash, we have 3 of the Dawn Power Suds, and we have 3 of the Crest toothpaste for $44.94. So we are way over that $40 mark to save 10. So I did save a total of $10 at the register instantly. And then we had the $5 coupon for the Crest come off. And we also had a total of $6 in coupons. So we had 2 paper coupons for the Dawn Power Wash plus the digital, 2 paper coupons for the Dawn Power Suds plus the digital, so a total of $12 in coupons for the Dawn. So at the register, I had to pay out $17.94 for these items, and that came out perfectly at the register. But then we're getting back the $2 on Ibotta for the Crest, and I'm also getting back that $10 Stocking Spree reward. So it's going to make final cost for all 9 of these items just $5.94 for me when I divide that up, that makes these 66 cents per item. And when I did this deal, I also hit my $3 midweek bonus from the Crest as well. So that actually gave me an additional $3, making my final cost just $2.94 for everything. And I did this deal on the old system. I'm not able to confirm on the new system if it'll be safe to get that $10 in instant savings along with using our manufacturer coupons. Let us know down below if you're on the new system and you're doing that spend 40 save 10 PNG this week, if it worked out for you fine using your coupons on the new system. This week the combat products are buy one get one for $3.99. If you pick up this ant killing bait, you could submit over to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each one. That'll make final cost on these just 49 cents each when you buy two. This week the Shea Moisture Bar Soap is a buy two get $5 off, and it does work for our 5 off of 3 Unilever coupon. So a deal idea is picking up 2 of these for $6.29. Let me show you what else you want to grab. So something else that works for this coupon is the Dove travel size bars. I mentioned this in my short form video last week. These are $2.29. So if you just want to pick up all Dove bars, you could pick up a total of 3 of these. That would be $6.87. Use this 5 off of 3 digital coupon. It'll be $1.87 for all 3. Or you can mix and match these 2 deals. So you could pick up 2 of the Shea Moisture and 1 of the Dove bars. That would be $14.87. You'll save $5 at the register because of the $5 off sale for the Shea Moisture, and then you'll save $5 with this 5 off of 3 digital coupon. That'll leave you to pay $4.87 for all 3 items. When we divide that up, these will be just $1.62 each. This week the Cetaphil products are on sale for $3 off. So all of these products, with the exception of like the 10 count cleansing cloths and the trial size items, will give you $3 off instantly at the register. So an easy deal with no coupons needed is on these Cetaphil cleansing cloths. These are $7.49. I noticed these 25 count wipes do attach to this $2.25 offer on Ibotta. So after the $3 sale plus $2.25 back on Ibotta, these are just $2.24 with no coupon needed. Now if you do get paper coupons, you can pick up some different Cetaphil items. These are like $12.99. We do have $3 paper coupons, and these will give you $3 back on Ibotta. So this would be like $6.99 for this big product. So if you get paper coupons, also look and see what you have as well. I think we also have an offer back on checkout 51. You can work something out with these other products. Next deal I'm actually going to pick up this week on the Skinny Cow. So these are buy one get one for $5.19. I like these, so I'm going to grab 2 boxes and then submit over to Ibotta for $1 back on each box. That's going to make final cost on these just $1.59 per box. I'm also going to pick up 2 boxes of these Luigi's Italian Ice. These are buy one get one for $4.79. I'm going to use 2 of the $1 manufacturer coupons on these from our inserts. That's going to bring it down to $2.79 for 2 boxes. And then we also have this Ibotta rebate right here for 75 cents back on each box. So that'll give me back another $1.50, making my final cost just $1.29 for 2 boxes, or 64 cents each. These Dogsters are buy one get one for $3.99. Pick up 2 if you're in Florida and use the 50-cent digital coupon. They'll be $1.75 per box. Or if you're in Half BOGO, you can pick up 1. It'll be $1.49 for 1. Next, I'm going to be grabbing the Magic Mind. So I told you guys about this deal on the Magic Mind a couple weeks ago. I decided not to do it then, but now it is buy one, get one, and we have a free offer on Social Nature. So if you're in Florida, you could actually pick up 2 of these for free now because Social Nature will pay for 1 and then the sale will pay for 1. I'm going to go ahead and try it out now. It'll be $1.99 and I'll get back $1.99 in Half BOGO, making 1 of these completely free. So this is a transaction that I'm going to do real quick because I do want to hit this Ibotta bonus. Let me show you how this worked out. And this little transaction worked out beautifully. So I ended up paying out $9.96 after my coupons came off. I got back $8.50 total from Ibotta because I hit that bonus. And then the $1.99 from Social Nature made all of these items a 53-cent moneymaker. This week, the Tabasco Picante Salsa is buy one, get one for $3.89. You want to pick up 2 of that variety because we do have $1 back on Ibotta for 2 bottles that you can get back. That'll make it $1.89 for 2 or just 94 cents each. I'm going to save my 5 off of 20 Oscar Meyer coupon for hopefully when the bacon goes on sale. But if you want to get stocked up on some hot dogs this week. These are BOGO. If you're on the old system, you just want to pick up $20 worth before the buy one get one sale. So like if you're in a half BOGO area, so that would be a total of 7 packs of the ones that are $3.28. That would get you up to $22.96. When you divide that up, you're only going to pay half of that. That's $11.48 minus that 5 off of 20 coupon. You would pay $6.48 for 7 packs. And then of course, if you're in Florida, add in another pack to get to an even number. We have a lot of deals on this cereal and granola bar aisle, so there's a lot that you want to pay attention to if you need to get stocked up on these products. The first deal that's jumping out to me is on the NutraGrain bar. So these are buy one get one for $3.69. If you go on the Kellogg's website, we do have 50-cent printable coupons, so you can print out 2 of those, and that'll already bring you down to $2.69 for 2. But then you also want to go over to your Ibotta app and submit back for this 50-cent rebate as well. So that'll give you a total of $2 in savings on 2 boxes, making it just $1.69 for 2 boxes, or just 84 cents each. Now we also have a pretty good deal on the Pop-Tarts. So these are buy one get one this week for $3.29, and on that same Kellanova website we have $1 off of 2 printable coupons, so you can print these off as well. If you just want to grab the Pop-Tarts, you can use that coupon and you'll end up paying $1.15 per box when you pick up 2 and use $1 off of 2 printable. Now these Pop-Tarts also count for this spend 25 get back $10 rebate that we did last week. And we learned last week that if you're on the old system, it is tracking that pre-BOGO price. So this could be a really good deal to stock up on Pop-Tarts. Let's work out a breakdown for this. I would pick up 8 boxes of those Pop-Tarts, and this is old system only once again, to get to that $25 mark. We are going to use a total of 4 of those $1 off of 2 printable coupons. Let me divide this up by 2 first, because you're only going to pay half of that, and then use $4 in coupons. If you can print out 4 of them, that'll bring you down to $9.16. Then you'll get back $10 for that rebate. It'll make it 84 cents in profit for all 8 boxes of Pop-Tarts. So yes, y'all, that's a good deal. And this deal is a limit of 5 per household. So even if you did the Cheez-Its and the Eggos that we did last week, you could still do that this week. And all of the information is on snacktoschooloffer.com. You can also find it on the back of some of these boxes. And I will actually probably come back and do this deal a little bit later. But like I said, I don't want this video to take so long, so I don't want to get caught up with my transactions. But that's a really good deal to get your pantry stocked up. And with the spend 25, get back 10 offer, the NutraGrain and the Rice Krispie treats are included in this promotion. So you don't have to get all Pop-Tarts. You could mix and match with the NutraGrain. So if you wanted to grab a couple boxes of the NutraGrain in place of the Pop-Tarts, or you wanted to swap out for Rice Krispie treats, the bigger boxes are BOGO as well. So just get $25 worth of the products that you want before the sale. We also have a lot of items this week that are included in the Spend 30 Save 5 General Mills coupon. If you haven't used that yet, the Nature Valley bars are one of those items. Now, if your store has these brand new Nature Valley bars that I have up on the screen, those are a really good deal because we have this $1 Ibotta rebate that you can stack with the promotion. My store does not have those yet, but I'm going to show you just a quick deal that I would do. So I would pick up 2 boxes of the Nature Valley that are buy one, get one for $5. So I'd pick up 2 boxes of these. Now for these, we also have some $1 digital coupons. You may have those clipped to your account. I'm not sure what I have clipped to this account, but I'm just going to show you an example. And this Nature Valley granola is also included in that Spend 30 coupon, and it is also buy one, get one this week. I've been wanting to try this Nature Valley cereal, so I would probably pick up 2 boxes of these as the next couple items in my deal. These work for that Spend 30 Save 5 coupon. And then to finish my deal, I would pick up 2 boxes of Cheerios. These are buy one, get one for $4.99. So all 6 of these items total me up to $31.76. This is perfect because I also have $1 off of 2 digital coupon for this Cheerios clip that I want to come off. And so for that $5 coupon to come off and that $1 coupon to all work together, I actually need to be at $31. I need to go $1 over for that coupon. So we're only going to pay half of this amount because of the buy one get one sale for all 6 of these items. So the total due is going to be $15.88. So after the $6 in digital coupons, the 5 off of 30 plus the $1 off of 2 comes off, I'll be at $9.88 that I have to pay at the rest. And then you want to check Fetch Rewards to see what offers you have from these items. For these items, I have a total of $1.75 that I would get back just based on what I have on my account. Your account may be completely different with Fetch. Then from Ibotta, I'm going to get back $1.50 total for these 2 boxes of Cheerios. You may have a different offer on your account. I have 75 cents back on these. You may have $1 back on 2 on General Mills cereal. So just look at your account and see what you have. But with that $1.50 back, final cost for all 6 of these items will be $6.63. When we divide that up, these will be just $1.10. All right, you guys, so that is the best Publix deals for this week. As always, I thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you found any of these Publix deals helpful. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon family. As always, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.